Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your task manager is not showing the processes, then watch this video to fix it. The first very simple solution is to just restart the computer. So click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart. And once it boots up again, it should start showing. You open task manager and look for the processes. Look for task manager in the search bar, and then we can see the processes and the performance tab and etc. Now if this doesn't work, then the biggest fix would be here is to sync the date and the time. So we will right click on the start bar, click on settings and click on time and language and click on date and time, and we can either set the time zone automatically. This is one which I prefer, setting it automatically, because the system picks up the region you're in and then sets the time accordingly. Set the time zone automatically, then it sets the time automatically based on the time zone that it has detected, the region in which you are, and then you just need to click on sync now. But if you're not connected to the internet for whatever chance, because the system picks this region time zone from the internet, then what you can do is you can switch this off, and then you can select where exactly in the world you are and then click on it, and then you can click on sync again, and that should do the trick. Last thing you need to do before you start task manager again is you need to go to command prompt. Oh, I forgot to run it in the elevated mode. You need to run it in the elevated mode. Command prompt, right click, run as administrator, and then you need to input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to finish. And your task manager should start showing the process. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.